Welcome to the Welder Online class, week 16. In this week, we are going to learn all about electrodes. An electrode is a metallic wire coated with flux to provide filler material to the joint. An arc is formed during welding process. The electrode size refers to the diameter of its core wire in length. The size varies from 1.6 mm to 8 mm as core wire diameter length is 350 mm to 450 mm. Methods of flux coating: dipping method, extrusion method. Extrusion method is fast, economical, and produces strong coatings. Due to these reasons, extrusion method has replaced dipping process. Different types of electrodes. Pipe welding electrode, made of cellulose such as wood pulp and flour. General purpose electrode. Coatings are based on titanium dioxide. Low hydrogen electrode. Coatings are based on calcium fluoride and calcium carbonate. Iron powder electrode. Coatings are of iron powder. Selection of electrodes depends on the composition of the base metal to be welded. Electrodes are indicated by a code consisting of letters and numerals to indicate the properties or characteristics of the electrode. Different standards are used in coding of electrodes. Electrodes with different flux covering gives different properties to weld metal. Electrodes are coded or classified as strength properties, elongation properties, welding positions, welding current, and voltage condition. The snapshot is an example based on the Indian system of codification of electrodes. AWS codification of electrodes can be seen from the below diagrams. Storage of electrodes. First, they must be stored in airtight containers. Fluctuations in the temperature of the store must be avoided at all times. Silica gel must be used where electrodes cannot be stored in ideal conditions. Electrode packets should not be used in contact with wet walls. Ensure proper ventilation of air while storing. Baking of electrodes. Moisture in electrode can cause porosity and cracks in the weld. For hydrogen prone electrodes, bake the electrodes in an electrode drying oven for an hour before use. This should be done at a temperature of 110 to 150 degrees Celsius. Moisture affected electrode has several indications. Some of the prominent are white powder appearance and excessive rusting of core wire. Special purpose electrode. Deep penetration electrodes. These electrodes are used to get deep penetration in the joints. The depth of the penetration will be more than the core wire diameter of the electrode used. Low hydrogen electrode. The diffusible hydrogen content of the deposited metal is low. This electrode is used with DC reverse polarity and can be used in all welding positions. Iron powder electrode. These electrodes contain a large amount of iron powder in their coatings. Underwater welding and cutting electrode. These electrodes are used to cut and weld metals under the water. The coating has a lacquer varnish that protects the electrode when immersed in water. Cutting and gauging electrodes. The cutting electrodes are of tubular type. While cutting, air is sent through the center at high pressure to cut ferrous metals. The gauging electrode can make U grooves on the ferrous metals. We have now reached the end of week 16.